Assalamu alaikum all the students. Kindly open the camera. Bete, I really request all the students, please do not interrupt year 6 class because before 9:35 I do take year 6 class and most of the students disturb like Kirat, she joined earlier. So I really request students do not interrupt my first class because at 9 a.m. I take year 6 class. Am I clear? Try not to interrupt. So as I told you, Bete, we are having a competition of poem recitation. Year 5 and 6 both are doing the same poem, but you will recite in different manner. Am I clear? So let's see who will recite the best. Kindly open the camera and everyone should sit attentively, please. Shamir, kindly do not join me Bete before the time because your class time is 9:35 and you were interrupting year 6 class. Kirat, you Bete, you as well. Kindly do not interrupt the previous class of year 6. You joined earlier and you were disturbing continuously my first class. Okay. Zanab Zafar, bete, do recitation. I am marking attendance. I want you to start the recitation, please. And kindly log in with your own name so that I can mark the attendance.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانهر إنا شانئك هو الأبتر صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqullahu lazim, subhanallah, bete. Bete, few students are not attentive in the class. So I really request them, be attentive and open the video. And log in with your own name, Wafa. Change your nick. I have to mark attendance. I am calling name of all the student. Kindly say present. Unmute yourself and say present. Clear? Ayan. Ayan is here. Okay. Ahmed Afzal. Ahmed Afzal, are you present? Bete, say present, teacher.
Yes, miss.
Say present, teacher. Sit properly. Your camera is not proper. Come on, arrange it. Alishba Yasir, are you present?
Present, teacher.
Anshara Asif. Bete, Anshara, say present, teacher. Aima.
Present, teacher.
Aisha Ilyas.
Present, teacher.
Hassan. Hassan Raza.
Hassan Raza बहुत दिनों से आ नहीं रहे.
It's okay. Adyan.
Hello,
Adyan. Walaikum salam. Bete, give me attendance, please. Adyan. Not present. Mohtashim.
Present, miss.
Kirat. Kirat joined ERC's class. Now she's absent. Okay, Ryan. Bete, mute your mic after giving attendance, please. Ryan, are you here? Samir. Bete, please, all the students mute their mic. Please mute your mic.
Present.
I don't want any sibling voice during the class time, please, bete. Shazeb. Umme Farwa. Farwa, are you here, bete? No. So today, Adyan, Hassan Raza, Rayan, Farwa, Shazeb are absent. Ayan as well. From 5 green. Now I am taking year 5 red attendance. Aman and Ariba. Both are absent. Only Aman joined the class. Okay. Ali Ahmad.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Aurelia bete.
Present, teacher.
Fahad. Fatma Mateen. Hamad.
Present, teacher.
Shamir.
Present, teacher.
Sara. Huzaifa. Sit properly, Anshara. Umar Mahmood.
Present.
Wafa. Zainab.
Present.
Sara. Fahad. Fatma Mateen and Ariba. Jamil. These students are absent today. Aman and Ariba, you can sit together, bete. Aman, where is Ariba right now?
Teacher is joining the class.
Okay. From air 5 green, Ayan, Hassan Raza, Adyan, Rayan and Umme Farwa are absent. Okay. I'm starting the today's class. Note down this text of the poem, The Echoing Green. Is it visible to all of you? Yesterday we have done the introduction of the poem.
Yes.
I'll be sharing this picture in WhatsApp group as well. You can take picture right now.
Miss, in language copy.
Yes.
अभी क्लास शुरू हुई चाहिए लैंग्वेज कॉपी में पूरी लिखनी है.
Yes, better you have to write the complete text of the poem because it is not in your syllabus. And try to ask the question in English, better, because it's an English block going on. Am I clear, students?
आपकी आवाज सही से नहीं आ रही.
Now, better check your microphone. Am I clear?
Miss, can you please share it again?
Definitely, better. I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group right now. You can't write, so leave the page for it. I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group. Right now, I'm sharing the complete poem. जी बेटे.
One page leave करें poem
जी
के लिए.
जी, you should leave and listen the poem. I'm playing it.
language copy में.
जी बेटे, you all should write in language copy. After writing the text, you have to write the introduction in this manner. This all work I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group. So listen the poem. I want all the students listen the poem right now.
Miss, kindly share this picture again.
Wait, just listen the poem first.
बाबा दरवाजा बंद कर दो और अंदर आ जाएगी.
Did you all listen it?
Yes.
Okay. In this manner, you all have to recite the poem.
टीचर आवाज नहीं आई
I have shared the complete poem. Okay, bete, wait a minute. Someone is on my door.
Grammarly can help you write quickly and confidently.
Wait. Sorry, my dear student, no one is at home and someone was knocking my door. Now, Sara and Ahmad Khan and Adyan is also came. Again, I'm sharing the poem. I want all the students listen carefully because it's a competition about poem elocution. Am I clear? What's the competition all about here? In that, you all have to recite a poem. Am I clear? Did you understand? Which poem we will recite? You all will recite the echoing green. So again, I'm sharing the sound. I want all the students listen carefully.
The sun does arise and make happy the skies. The merry bells ring to welcome the spring. The skylark can rush, the birds of the bush sing loud and loud to the birds' cheerful song. As born shall we sing on the echoing green. While as born shall be seen on the echoing green. The sun does arise and make happy the skies. The merry bells ring to welcome the spring. The skylark can rush, the birds of the bush sing loud and loud to the birds' cheerful song. While as born shall be seen on the echoing green. While as born shall be seen on the echoing green.
Did you all listen it? Did you all listen it? How you have to recite the poem? In this manner, you all will recite the poem. We're having next week the poem elocution competition. Fine. So the explanation of the poem I'll be giving you. Complete text I will share with you all. You can find in internet as well. Am I clear? The poem is written by William Blake. Yesterday we did the small biography of the poet. Today I'm giving the introduction and explanation what it's all about. The poem is all about the merry sound. You know, the poet William Blake expresses the contrast between the young youth and the old age. You know, when the children are having no worries, they are without stress and depression and all things. Am I clear? But as soon they grew older, so things come in their life, they